Hi everyone, and welcome back to Faith and Flower. If you're new, my name is Robin. In today's video, we are just finishing up some weekend checklist items that we want to get done because fall has finally arrived here in Austin and we really want to get outside and enjoy this beautiful weather. In this past Sunday's video, I showed you guys how we had started cleaning our windows. So we do this usually twice a year, once in the fall and again in the spring, and then occasionally as needed we'll touch up a window here or there. But my husband is outside cleaning and I'm inside, and we have started in our dining room today. If you are new to my channel, I would just like to say welcome. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do, I hope that you'll subscribe. I do a lot of videos on cleaning. I'm a stay-home wife and mom, so most of my videos are related to that and to homemaking. Before I actually clean the glass, I wanted to go ahead and dust the shutters. I am wearing microfiber dust mitts that are made by Norwex, and I love using them for jobs like this. I thought I was tall enough to reach the top of this window, but I'm not. So I'm gonna go grab the stepladder really quick and then I will start cleaning the windows. And I'm gonna use my Norwex microfiber cloths to clean the window, and I don't use any product like Windex or any other glass cleaner, just a damp Norwex cloth. And then I will go over it with the window cloth, which really gives it a nice shine. While I was cleaning this window, my husband was outside cleaning the rest of the windows, and he noticed that we have a bird's nest being built in our courtyard right by our front door. And this is a problem that we have season after season, and so when we finish with the windows, we're gonna go outside and take it down. And before you get really sad about us getting rid of a bird's nest, we let one stay the first season that we lived here, thinking, oh, it's so cute, and when the babies came, we enjoyed taking a peek at them. But they made a huge mess, and it's right at our front door. So there was a lot of bird mess to greet anybody that came to our front door, and we just couldn't let them do that year after year. And my dad was actually here on vacation, and he set up some nails with wires, and that really did deter them for a while, but now they figured out how to get past that. So it's time to get that down. As you can see, I'm going to try to show you some of the mess that has started already just from them building their nest, because they are swallows and they use mud to build their nest, which anchors it in really well but makes a huge mess all around where they're building their nest. And then there is just a ridiculous amount of bird poop after they're living there. And while I feel sorry for them, I feel like if we take the nest down before they've started laying eggs or anything like that, they'll have plenty of time to find a new, better suited place for their home. To clean the outside windows, my husband uses a product that he can wipe on and then squeegee off. And I will have it linked below if you guys are looking for an outdoor window cleaner. It really works great. It even seems to repel a lot of the dirt that can build up on the windows. They stay really shiny and streak-free for quite a while. After I finish the windows here in the guest room, then I'll go outside and we will take care of the bird's nest. And also there were some dirt dauber's nests that had been built all around, and they've already been taken down, but they've left a lot of mud that is stuck way up high. So my husband's gonna get the ladder out and we're gonna just clean up all that stuff. windy day today, and so all of the stuff from this bird's nest is probably going to blow around like crazy, so I'm holding this yard waste bag up as close as I can so that everything can fall in there and it won't blow all over our courtyard. The swallows do a really good job of anchoring their nest up there. You can see some of the dust flying around in the wind, and so it takes a little bit of sort of chiseling to get it out. And we did get this nest before it was completely built, so hopefully these birds will find a better place and we will not have to deal with the huge mess that they create. You guys probably can't see it, but there's a ton of mud that's splattered all around on the ceiling near where they were building the nest too, so my husband is just using a cloth to wipe all of that up too. There were several dirt daubers nests in different places around the front of our home, so while my husband has the ladder out, he'll take care of those, and while he's up there, he's also going to change a couple of light bulbs. With our weekend checklist complete, we are going to head downtown Austin to the hike and bike trail and enjoy some time outside. We love living here in Austin. They have some beautiful trails outside around Lady Bird Lake, and this is where we like to come anytime we have great weather on the weekend. And lately we've had so much rain over the last couple months that the river is really high, so things look a little bit different down here, and everybody's out today because they are excited to be in this beautiful weather just like we are. I hope today's video gave you guys a little motivation to get some cleaning done and then to get outside and enjoy the beautiful fall weather in your area. Thank you guys so much for watching today. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give me a thumbs up so I'll know to make more. And if you're new, I would love to have you subscribe, so make sure you hit that bell icon, and that way you'll be notified each time I upload a new video and you won't miss a thing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great week.